Howdy, howdy, howdy. This is Uncle Rusty back with you today. Look, someone left the light on for us. Now, if you ain't thank God for waking you up, go ahead and thank Him for waking you up today. If it wasn't for Him, we would all be here now, would we? But today is Friday, and it's also, we're coming up on some snowstorms across the nation. Over here in western North Carolina, we got some, I think, snow and sleet and rain accumulation coming together. So I hope everybody stays safe out there. I got some mail today, the MM2, the Marauder Mini 2, and the Javelin Pro Turbo, 2 Turbo just came in today. But I just want to touch up on some ways to stay warm. Maybe some safety items to keep around the house. You always want to keep some bottled water, maybe some hand warmers, something like that to keep you warm. They make the ones you can get at the dollar stores and stuff for pretty cheap, or at other places. They also got these. I was looking over here because I got these electric hand warmers from Amazon. They're amazing. I got 4 of them, so I've got to find the other 2. I don't know where they went. But yeah, I got 4 of those, so we're going to get those charged up just in case. And then I got my backup power banks. I got 3 of those I'm going to keep charged up. All my flashlights. Make sure all my Zippos are fueled up, ready to go. Got our candles, layers, and blankets. Water, you need to store up on water. You need to get as much water as you can. If you don't have a bunch around your house, at least fill up your bathtub so you'll have stuff to flush your toilets with in case it ends up freezing or anything. Also, you want to keep bottled water around because you'll be dehydrated. It's going to get really cold. The cold dehydrates you just like the sun does. But stay hydrated, you guys. I mean, there's multiple ways you can store water and keep water. You might want to keep some jugs around in case your water's not running. You could run some with some soap and rinse off and just, like kind of wipe off with a rag and rinse yourself off to, help clean up a little bit since you're not able to take a shower right now. I think that's about it. Get maybe some firewood. Keep some firewood around in case it does get way too cold in your house, or if you have a chimney with a fireplace, or a fireplace with a chimney, that'd be awesome. But we don't have that here, but we do have a Solo stove that we can put out there. I don't think it's the Solo brand, but it's the smokeless fire pit or whatnot. So if it gets really cold, we can go out there and light us a fire and get all warmed up, and stuff. And then we'll come in and layer up and fall asleep until we can wake up again and go back out to the fire again. There's multiple ways. If you got generators, you want to store up on gas and get your generators. Make sure they're running and clean and all that stuff. Mine right now is needs the carb rebuild or clean or something. It just started leaking gas like a few weeks ago. I couldn't get it cranking. It just dumped the gas out. So something's going on there. So we're just going to do what we do with the best we can, because what did they do back in the old days? They didn't really have much, right? But anyways, we're gonna get into this box right here, see what we got. I'm excited, and shout out to GOKnifeGuy for that TB sow belly. What pattern is this? The 3339. In carbon steel. He wanted me to use her. I'm putting her to use as a user. We're going to open this box right here with it. See what we got inside. Alright, off gates, I'm seeing the Perun 3 Premium dual source right angle flashlight with charging case. And that has the headlamp and all that was supposed to come with it. So that's pretty cool. See what they sent in here. Oh, that's cool. They sent me like the little OLite, just the calendar or the notepad. Oh yeah, OLite calendar. That's pretty cool for 2026 for the new year. That's awesome. What else did they get? Oh, the lampshade. I gotta figure out how to put this thing together. I've been seeing everybody trying to figure out how to put this lampshade together for the is it Marauder or Marauder? I'm country, y'all, so I say stuff sometimes. My wife's like, you can't say it like that. The kids are gonna say it like that, and they're gonna go to school saying it like that. And oh yeah, there's another red patch. I traded in some coins for. And they also sent the green and the red filters for the Javelin 2 Turbo. Oh yeah, and that Piran came with the free slim i3T EOS. It was supposed to be in the sand dune. Maybe it's a different color once we open it up. Let's open that up because it was supposed to be the one that I wanted, that I chose. But if it's not, we can still always contact Olight. Olight's great sometimes with their customer support. But we'll just go ahead and dig into all this stuff. But I don't even own one of these yet. So this might be like an EDC maybe sometimes. Oh, it is. It's the sand dune version. That's cool. I think that's the name of this one. And it's just a clicker. I do believe it already has the battery in here. You just gotta, just gotta remove that plastic out of the way. And yeah, from me already clicking it, it's already turned on. It probably comes with new O-rings where you can switch them out. But these are cool. I haven't had one yet. I've just got the like really bright ones. But you can switch it to. It's got a low moonlight mode, and then it has a higher mode. Thought it was having a bit of an issue there for a second. So one click is low, then you click it back on, it's high. Alright, so we got that. That's cool. They sent me the calendar. I wasn't expecting that. It's really awesome. Okay. What is this? This is the versatile clip-on light with 3 light source. This is the OD green O-Clip Pro. And I did not get this one engraved with my label on it, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that one yet. This should have had the headband and all that stuff with it, so it should be inside of here, I'm guessing. It came as a kit, so we will look into that. What'd I do with that sow belly? Oh, there it is. Well, I forget a lot. You don't really need a knife. But yeah, since I did purchase the kit, it should have the head lamp thing somewhere. Hopefully it's inside of here and I don't have to contact customer support. Nobody likes to do that. Yeah, it's all in here. It's in the bottom. That's awesome. Thank you for being a part of the Olight family. Your support is why we do this. Enjoy, Olight team. And this comes with the microfiber cloth, the headband, charger, USB-A. It looks like. I wish it was a USB-A Type-C. I mean USB Type-C. So there's the headband. We all know what a headband looks like. I'll do another instructional video on how to put your flashlight into this and all that stuff. We're just opening it up for now. But yeah, it's a USB-A to USB Type-C cable in there with that. And a tiny microfiber cloth, which will go to cleaning my knives. I'm just going to leave this out because it'll get some use. Put this stuff back in there. we'll actually look at the flashlight, I guess, and get it out of lockout mode so you guys can see how it works and everything. Alright, hold on. Does this one twist off? Yeah. Okay. Yep, it's got that protective layer down in there. Gotta take that out. Now she's ready to go. But yeah, let's go. Well, let's just put it on there. Here's the headlamp. But yeah, you just put the clip down in there and pop. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way, sorry. Put the clip in that way and just pop it in there. Then you got your old headlamp. Oh, well, you get the idea. You see what I'm doing. And then the top controls it. Well, that's awesome, because this will also charge inside of how do you oh, you push it to release it. Okay, but this will also charge inside of this case over here, in the premium case. But I like that that diamond plated looking steel look to it. And this has it on the outside of it too. Well, these little cases are power banks as well, so I actually have 5 power banks. I get that one charged and this one charged, and we'll have 5 power banks. I forgot all about that, so yeah, that's awesome. But yeah, the Baton 4 and this one, and then I got the, I want to say pre-run, but it's per run. But let's dig in here. See, I don't know if this is the MM2 or the but yesterday or the day before I was speaking on that black and blue, and you seen the black and blue in that, and then I'm getting the black and blue with this, and then the I don't know where my O clip went, or my black and blue O clip Pro, but we'll get them all together soon. And oh, it's right here. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, so we're getting a little bit of a black and blue collection going on here. A little bit. Then you'll see another one added here in a second. Alright. Oh, light. So it's green. So this is going to be the Javelin Turbo 2 OD green. Now this thing is supposed to be like the sunlight. You could put this on your gun and hunt with it or whatnot. That's nice. It has a little sheath with it. Okay. Here it is. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but I'm glad it's not, because I didn't want it to be extremely big. But first off impression is, yeah, it's like one of the old school mag lights that your dad had or whoever had back in the day, you know what I'm saying? It's cool. I'm loving the case that it came in with the foam. It's got a holster right here. I'll get this out. It's a nylon holster with a lanyard, rubber lanyard, feels like, unless that's just rubber covered over rope or something. Oh, and this has the watch you can put on or whatnot, for you can use it to for the remote control, because you can use this thing remotely. You don't have to actually turn it on manually. And I don't know how to get into this thing. Oh yeah, this one has the big old battery in it. I was thinking these were the ones that had the permanent battery that you had to switch out, but that was the previous Javelin. Where was that? there's a little piece that goes in here that's for the oh, here it is, the remote for it. So I'm guessing, okay, it was in lockout mode. Oh, there we go. So it's got high, I believe it has a high and a low. You barely press it and you get that low. Press it hard, you get the big beam. Low beam, if you can see that. You press it harder. It can tell by how hard you're pressing which one you want. So this is your thrower right here. Sorry, I'm still getting used to it. This is my first time messing with it, but I'll get out there tonight and mess with it. There's only 2 bars on here, so it's not getting extremely, it's not going to get as bright as it will. But this goes right on the side too, and you can charge the remote on the Javelin Turbo too. Ain't that awesome? That's pretty cool. Or you can have it on your gun while it's there, and while you're controlling it, you know, you can be over here with on your gun or whatever, have it on your wrist and hit it however you want it, attached to you somehow. You can hit the button and have it a spotlight, or you can have it pointed out somewhere and be ready and just hit the button. But I think this thing needs to be charged, and I don't know how to work the remote just yet anyway. But that's awesome. That's a big mail call. Let's jump on over into the MM2. I've been wanting one of these things, man. So that goes with my OD green. Y'all see I got like OD green here, OD green up there. Got some OD green knives. My OD green pins, other pins. OD green on my keychain. I have a i2 Pro, I think, on there. But yeah, I love OD green too. Sorry if this is a long video, but hope y'all guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Brother Pete, if you're watching, I'm putting your knife to use, brother. Alright, now this is supposed to come in its own little pack too, which was cool. Alright. Okay, let's get her open. This is supposed to be like, okay, this is like, you can shine, I think, like 1,500 lumens or something like that for like 1,500 meters or something like that. It's something crazy. This one is like a straight flood, like 10,000 lumens straight at you. And this got a big lanyard. That's pretty cool. Oh, so this is how you can, it has a charger just like a, or a charging cable just like a, some of my power banks do. And there's that black on blue again, and dang, that thing's got some weight to it. Yeah, it's heavier. This is heavier than this. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. That's got some mad weight to it. And these, oh yeah, these had the STFC on there. You see that? Yeah, and I got this one with the STFC on there as well. And this one had my logo on it. Y'all can see that if it'll focus in on it. Let's see how this thing, how much charge it has on it for now. Golly, look at that battery. Y'all remember D batteries back in the day? That's like a big old D battery, but like a rechargeable one. 7,500 mAh's. Yeah, 3.7 volt. But yeah, this is supposed to be like a straight 10,000 lumens coming at like 650 meters or something. Like, this is a powerhouse right here. I don't even know how to work it. I'm pretty sure you gotta spin it to get it off of lock mode like the other one. Yeah. Oh wow, and it's got a big spot on it. Wow, that looks like it's gonna bring out the daylight. It's already charged. This one has a full charge on it, so y'all get to see a little bit of what it's about. Okay, so you got that one. And then you got your side light, which is cool. That's awesome. And then you got your red light, which is cool. And you can even change the brightness of it. And I'm pretty sure, maybe let's see if we do a triple click. No? I thought it might do like the SOS or something. I'm just messing around with it. I still have to figure out what that's for. There's a little button right here. I don't know what's for. It slides up and down. Let's see. Let's get it on there. Okay, so that changes it from flood. So that's just pure flood right there. And then go back over to straight spot. That's on demand. It has that little switch right there. If you got it already on turbo or the brightest, it'll go down to flood, back to spot. That's awesome. So I've been wanting one of these things. Finally got it in the mail today, right in time for this crazy weather to come in. But today is Friday. And I'm gonna call it Faithful Friday, because let's have faith in God, and that we're all gonna get through this storm. Or we can call it Flashlight Friday. Well, Flashlight Friday, Faithful Friday, whatever you want to call it. I didn't really have no knife to show you today. I'm just carrying this old Harbor Freight cheap old knife around today, because like I said, we're getting ready for a storm, so I'll probably have some users on me. I think this is, yes, the Gordon. I want to say it's 7-inch flipper, $9.99 at Harbor Freight. GOKnifeGuy steel on that thing. Other than that, that's all I had to show you today, you guys. I'm gonna hop off here. I gotta go. But as always, God loves you. So do I. Stay blessed. See you now.